Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Hello everyone, myself Saurav Sujaria, GDSC lead of GEC Rajkot. I welcome you all in this session. Today in this session, we will discuss about GDSC and we will clear all your doubts regarding GDS. So before we move ahead, are you guys excited for this event? Type yes in the chat box. Okay. So, it is a great honor for us that our department HOD sir is present here. I would like to thank our HOD sir, Professor Sohil Gambhir sir, for accepting our request to join the session. Now, I would like to request sir to enlighten our community with his precious words as we begin with the event. Sir, over to you.
Thanks, Saurabh. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, first of all, it is always good to see that. Let me just adjust my camera. It is always good to see that new batch is taking over a very good activity which is carried out by seniors. So, as we are very compared to other well-known college of government, we are a bit younger. So you have that responsibility to create a culture. So last 2 3 years, all your seniors as well as you have done very good job by creating this GDSC. There are a lot of events are going on, and future also similar pattern. We will going to organize a lot of good events. So when gradually when you build a good culture of coding, technical clubs, it will going to give very good benefits to all the stakeholders. Because biggest stakeholders are always students. So student, their families, and I keep on telling you again and again that I have observed that in last 3 months, each and every company which came for placement, there was one GEC Rajkot class pass out student. And so that is the culture we want to build. And nothing much to add from my side. The things which you are carrying out as a GDSC club, you just carry out with same zeal and enthusiasm in the future. Right? So that will be it from my side. All the best for new team. The team which is going, of course, they are now seniors. They will be joining industry very shortly. So all the best for their efforts. And of course, department is appreciating that what you have done. Okay. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. We are thankful for your guidance and support.
I have a meeting to attend, so I am just leaving you all, and you can continue your program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now let's move forward to the session. I would like to invite Harshil Kanaria, our previous GDSC lead of GEC.
Hello,
Harshil bhai.
Saurav. Yeah.
Hello,
Am I
Silvan. How
audible?
are you? Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I am doing great.
Is it?
Okay. So now I would like to ask you some questions regarding your GDS experience. Can we move ahead?
Yes.
So my first question is, how was your experience of being a GDSC lead?
Okay. So, being a GDSC lead, the overall experience was amazing. The best part of being such an international community is to grow our network and meet amazing people with the same interest as us, and to build a relation with them, connect with them, and learn different things with them. So the overall experience was amazing. But it could be more amazing if I could conduct either one or two sessions in offline as well. But anyhow.
Okay. Now, next question is how GDSC helped you in your life?
Okay, so in my life, the best 2 point I can say that I am a very confident speaker before currently before the 1 year. Along with that, the management and leadership skills which I could able to develop with the GDSC is one of the best part. Along with that, the networking is the main important thing when you represent the international community in your college and in other areas. In my time, there was only one GDSC in Rajkot and in Saurashtra as well. So there are lots of new people asking me for the different ideas on how to start for developing and to coding and how to find the particular area of interest which he or she would like to come up for the future planning or placement and everything else. So the lives are changing with GDSC, and you will be experiencing these things in a very short manner. So be passionate and be enthusiastic.
Okay. So the next question is which was your best moment in GDSC? I know all the moments are best,
Yeah.
but
There are 3-4 best moments. The first one is our GDSC leads offline meetup at Google office Mumbai, and we spent some few hours together with Google managers and other Googlers at there, and know the see and learn from their Google Office environment and culture as well. So one part is that. Apart from that, we conducted one last event as an interview preparation and resume builder. So in which I can say that the session was successful because most of the students from us from my batch has joined and learned to build a resume, and it impacted a lot. Apart from that, I remember the rush when the Google form is crashed for the 30 days of Google Cloud Challenge, and suddenly Alithia called me at around 2 a.m. and she said that Bhaiya, Google form open ho gaya hai, and then I wake up and created video for the registration, and that is how the registration was begun. And at the end of a day, we got 400 plus registration. That was the big success for me as well as the GDSC. And after the registration and completion of the event, we have the 180 plus students. I don't remember the exact number, but it was the 180 students who have successfully completed the both tracks in Google Cloud, 30 days of Google Cloud Challenge, and it was a very immense pleasure to see you all wearing the Google Cloud t-shirt and bag. So yeah, that was some happy moment for me.
Okay, now one of the most common question, like अभी college of friends start हो गई है सबकी, then how to manage time between offline lectures and coding or any other activity?
हाँ, वो बात तो है. This is what I am struggling currently as well. But do one thing, sleep less. When I say sleep less, which means that wake up early in the morning, do all the things that you are interested in. Because the 4 year of engineering is too short period to explore all the opportunities, especially in our computer field, as the technology is growing so far and so fast. So I would suggest it's okay to hang out with the people, it's okay to hang out with the friends, it's okay to bunk some lectures, but do one thing that don't go for the perfection, go for the consistency, as consistency will make you more impactful than rushing for the perfection. So for the coding, I can say that do the streak as Saurav is currently doing, 100 days of code, and posting regularly tweets for the same. So do the things like that, start 100 days of code challenge, and share with your all friends that I am taking this challenge and you should also take it. And that is how the environment of coding will build in our college.
Okay, so one last question. Any advice for us, for our community?
Okay, so for our community, you have a much better exposure than me, as the college are regularly going for the offline. Interact with peoples and new folks as much as you can. Don't see the blind numbers of attendees. See how much the life is affecting to that attendee for attending particular sessions or particular completing particular tasks. So it is good. It is fine that you have very less number of people joining the session, but it is not good that any of that are not doing the course or not exploring the opportunities they want.
Okay. So thank you, Arsil bhai, for giving us your valuable time and guidance.
Yeah, and I think there are some my old core team as well. So I would like to invite all of that to come up in front of camera and share your memories as well, if you permits.
Sure.
Yeah. So hello, previous core team, where are you?
Yes, for
Okay, so I guess
Oh, wait a minute.
Althea was there.
Wait a second. I've dropped the camera sharing option for attendees.
Okay.
Yes. Done. You can share camera.
So I cannot see more, but Alicia was there.
Alithia is there.
So Alicia, if you want to say something, that mic is yours.
Hello everyone. Myself Alicia Kapasi. I was in the team last year, and as our ex-lead says, he shares the experience of 30 days. I also remember that at 2 a.m. I called him and says that form is open. Let's fill immediately. It was the most hilarious moment. Also, in the whole year, we experience a lot of things that in other community we can't experience that. And GDSC is the platform that we can perform or we can show our skills. And it is a great platform for our beginners to find new peoples, new connections, and build our network. So it was a great experience, and thank you for that opportunity again.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen,
Well,
this is the girl because of which you are currently wearing the T-set of Google Clouds. So big applause for that.
okay, thank you, Arshil bhai, once again. Let's move forward to the session. Now we will discuss about everything about GDSC. So I would like to request Shivesh to please share his screen. Shivesh. Okay, screen is visible. So the today's agenda, we will discuss about myself. Then we will have the structure of GDSC's core team. Then what is GDSC, goals of GDSC, which events we are going to conduct in future in GDSC, and at last we will have a Q&A session. So if you have any questions, be ready with them and ask at the end of the session. And one more thing, we will have some fun activities at the end of this session. So join us till last. Next slide, please. Okay, next slide. So about myself, as you know, I am the GDSC lead of GEC Rajkot. Also, I am the former CP lead of CodeCEP GEC Rajkot chapter. Unfortunately, the CodeCEP chapter is not running in our college right now, but it will be start soon. Apart from this, I am interested in competitive programming and also 3-star coder at CodeCEP. And I love to contribute to open source projects. And currently, I am into the front end development and soon going to deep dive into the backend part. Okay, that's all for myself. Next slide, please. Now we will see our GDSC team's core team structure. So I would like to invite my colleague Devanshi to take this session forward. Devanshi.
Hello everyone. Hope you are all having a beautiful and relaxing weekends. We are all so glad to see you guys here. My name is Devanshi Sonaram and I'm currently studying in 5th semester computer engineering. I'm the part of this year GDSC core committee as public relation. I am really excited to be the part of this team and experience all the things that Alicia said earlier. Personally, I'm interested in web development and Android development and web designing. Well, now I would like to hand over to Darshan to introduce himself.
Thank you, Devanshi. Am I audible, Devanshi? Can you confirm that?
Yes,
Darshan,
you are.
Yeah, okay.
Darshan, sorry to interrupt you. Darshan, if everyone can turn on their camera, we would like to see your faces. Okay. मतलब ये कोई लेक्चर नहीं है जिसमें आपको ऐसा डर रहे हो, सब कॉलेज वाले ही है, अभी कोई फैकल्टी नहीं है हमारे साथ, सारे स्टूडेंट्स ही है, सो फील फ्री टू एक्सप्लेन योर कैमरा।
हाँ हाँ सही।
Present?
May I continue?
Yes,
So
sure.
again, very good afternoon to all of you. Yes, myself Darshan Hanti, and I am a technical, I'm a part of technical board team member in GDSC chapter division. And currently I am working on Android development, Compose Camp using Kotlin. And yeah, I have some already have some experience in Android development using Java, and I also used SQLite database in Android, and I have some basic knowledge of web development, full stack web development using PHP, MySQL, and yeah. So this was my technical side, and also I would like to share some of my hobbies. And yeah, so my first hobby is curiosity in group discussion. And
Overview. So it is basically a peer-to-peer learning environment. You can you have seen this, that there are no faculties, just HOD sir just enlightened us with their words, just because we have to formally invite them. But there will be no interruption from faculties. All the students itself અમે લોકો જ પોતે જ એને કહેવાય ને કે હેન્ડલ કરીશું બધું. જેમ કે નેક્સ્ટ સેશન જે છે, તમે આ મીટિંગ જોઈ કે અમે બધા જ ક્લબના મેમ્બર્સ જ છે, એ લોકો જ અમે તમને શીખવાડીશું. આવી રીતે તમારે કદાચ કોલેજમાં પણ કંઈ કામ હોય તો કોલેજમાં તમે અમે લોકોને મળી શકો અને અમને પૂછી શકો કે આમાં શું કરવાનું, કઈ રીતે કરવાનું, એવી રીતે એવરીવન વિલ આન્સર યુ વેરી ઇઝીલી. અને આપણો મેઇન ગોલ શું રહેશે, વોટ એવર ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇઝ વી આર ગોના સોલ્વ ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ. આપણે સોલ્યુશન ઉપર ફોકસ કરશું. એટલે જ એક આપણી ઇવેન્ટ છે એનું નામ છે સોલ્યુશન ચેલેન્જ. તમને Ritu will make you aware about that. So that was all from what is GDSC, and I like to hand over to Ritu and Shivesh. Next slide, please.
Okay, so now I will be telling what are the perks of GDSC. जैसे सब कहते हैं कि मतलब काम तो करेंगे तो मिलेगा क्या हमें वापस. Obviously, gifts, swags, and all that. So after working in GDSC, working in or for GDSC, we will be having some so-called perks which are given by them. Next slide, please. So here are some of the perks. That is, it is a golden opportunity to learn new skills. New skills, what we mean by new skills कि हम बहुत सारे events conduct कराएंगे. तो I will be telling ahead what are the events that we will be conducting. तो उसके अंदर आपको बहुत सारी new skills सीखने को मिलेगी. Hackathons and mentor guidance. Hackathons, they are like we work on some project, we build something by scratch which is built by students. In team we do that. And mentor guidance, for that you will be given mentors which will be experienced one, obviously. Rewards based learning, you will be given some rewards based rewards. Webinars by experienced mentors, we will be collaborating, like Harshal Bhaiya said, we will be collaborating with other GDSC leads too, and we will be conducting several webinars based on the experiences and all that. Insights about Google competitions and programs. This is like the main one. Insights about Google competitions and programs. There are several competitions and programs which are conducted by the Google. So many of the students, they do not know about the opportunities which are presented in front of us. So we will be like, हम उनको बताएंगे कि ऐसा ऐसा है. So all they need to do is just follow the guidelines and they can move ahead. machine ML, machine learning Flutter web campaign from Google. Uh, and this is like we will be conducting several campaigns which are obviously from the Google side only. So what is the benefit of doing it is you can add them in your resume and make it like what we naturally say is it will be like cherry on the top of your cake, which will make it more like a precious one. So build connections. This is obviously the main one, which our ex-lead also said. Build connections and networks. This will not only help in learning new things, it will also uh, improve your communication skills, how to communicate with people, and in getting this, what we say, several referrals also when we apply for off-campus and all that placements. That is next one only. Swags and certificates. Obviously, we get several swags and certificates too from the Google, which you can add in your resume and make it like more precious one. So, what are the events that we are going to conduct as we are running a club? Next one, please. Okay, so in the recent this month only, we are going to conduct an event which is based on Android development on and all that. The people who are interested or the students who are interested can take part in that. And the in the upcoming next month, what we are going to conduct is GitHub event. That is mainly you. I would like to brief something about this, as this is the main thing when you are a developer or an open source enthusiast. According to me, this is the main thing that you should learn. It will obviously enhance your development skills and all that. And in the next upcoming months, we will be like in December month, we will be conducting an event which is based on Google Cloud. And obviously you will be getting some swags and all that from that. Now our next year will be starting from January. So in that we will be having a session which is based on Flutter. Flutter, as you all know, it is an application whose code base we can use both for Android, iOS, Linux, macOS and all that. And in the next month we will be having some like fun session games which are related to the things which we have conducted in the GDSC events only. In March, we will be having a event which is based on TensorFlow. TensorFlow is like a Python library which we used for ML and AI. Its main focus is on the deep neural networks. If someone does not know what it's used, you can just Google it. So, and in the next 2 months also, we will be having some like we will be having some fun session games only. And in June, this is going to be the last month of our GDSC club. So in this, we will be learning about some Chrome extensions, which are very useful as a developer or as a CP enthusiast and all that. So that's all for the events that we will be conducting. Next slide, please. Okay, so now I would like to hand the session to our GDSC lead, Saurabh.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Saurabh.
Okay. So if you have any questions, then please write it in the chat box. I can see one question: how can we join? So let me share my screen. Shivesh, can you please stop sharing your screen? Is my screen visible?
Yes, Saurav, that's visible.
Okay, so I have shared one link in the chat box. So when you open this link, you will redirect it to our GDSC GECR platform. As you can see that our info session is displaying here. फिर अब आपको क्या करना है कि you have to log in from here. So when you will click login, तो आपको अपनी सारी डिटेल्स भर देनी है. फिर अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाए उसके बाद you have to click on join us here, join us button. So जब आप join us करेंगे तो आप GDSC GECR के मेंबर बन जाएंगे और फिर आपको जो भी इवेंट होगी उसका अपडेट मेल थ्रू मिल जाएगा. So I think your doubt is clear now. और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन?
हाँ, कोઈને પણ કઈ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય, किसी को भी कुछ क्वेश्चन हो, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती, कुछ समझ ना आया हो, કઈ નો સમજાણું હોય તો પ્લીઝ અમને બધાને બધી ભાષા આવડે છે, તમે તારે પૂછી લો. તમે માઇક ઓન કરીને પણ પૂછી શકો છો, તમ તારે માઇક બધા માટે ખુલ્લું છે.
ઓકે, સો મંથન તમે લોગિન ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે પછી તમે ડિટેલ્સ ફિલ કરવાના આવશે, લાઈક યોર નેમ, યોર કોલેજ, એ થઈ જાય એટલે પછી તમે જોઈન અસ પર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે શું કહેવાય તમે આમાં GDSC માં જોઈન થઈ જશો. हाय किशन.
थोड़ा सा धीर दरज जाए.
Okay, so your doubt is which one to choose, Kotlin or Flutter? Like I would suggest कि first explore both the technology, Kotlin और Flutter को explore करो. फिर अगर आपको कोटलिन पसंद आए तो कोटलिन सिलेक्ट करो और अगर फ्लटर में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है तो फिर फ्लटर. एंड इस मंथ हम कंपोस्ट हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट यूजिंग कोटलिन. Anyone else? કે કોઈને ડાઉટ ના હોય તો આપણે ક્વિઝ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ.
Saurav, yes. There is this question from Kishan, right? So, Kishan. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes, Saurav, shall we finish the Kishan's question? So Kishan, for you, આપણે you decide કે તારે Android અને આમાં બેમાં કરવું છે iOS માં ઓર ખાલી Android માં જવું છે. That is the biggest question, કારણ કે Flutter એના માટે જ છે. Flutter ની ફાઇલ્સ છે ને એકદમ મોટી બને comparatively to Kotlin અથવા તો ખાલી Swift. So તારે ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ બનાવવી હોય તો તું Flutter ઓપ્ટ કરી શકે. બાકી ફાસ્ટર ને બધી રીતે છે ને Kotlin સારી છે. Darshan is gonna take the sessions of Kotlin in a very soon time we'll share all the schedule about that event. અને એમાં you can join in, check કરી શકતું કે તને કેવું લાગ્યું, તને હાથ બેસે છે કે નહીં. બીકોઝ આ બધું બેસિકલી હાથ બેસવા ઉપર છે કે તમને ફાવે છે કે નહીં લેંગ્વેજ, મજા આવે છે કે નહીં, સમજાય છે કે નહીં. જો તને ન સમજાય તો you can try Flutter, you can try Swift.
પેલા બે ટ્રાય કરી જોવાય, પછી એમાં તમને લાગશે કે આમ આગળ વધી શકું બેમાંથી, પછી એમાં એકમાં જવાનું.
હેલો સૌરભ,
હા હા,
મારે એક મંડપને ક્વેશ્ચન કરવો છે. હમણાં કીધું ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ એટલે કઈ રીતે ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ?
યસ, ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ એટલે ફ્લટર છે ને બેસિકલી આપણે બે ડિવાઇસ હોય, ખબર છે ને, એન્ડ્રોઈડ અને iOS, એપલ વાળાને એપલના ફોન અને આપણા જે રેગ્યુલર એન્ડ્રોઈડ ફોન્સ છે, બરાબર. તો બેની એપ્લિકેશનના કોડ્સ અલગ અલગ હોય. મતલબ તમે એક કોડથી બેમાં એપ્લિકેશન રન ન કરાવી શકો, કારણ કે બેની ઓએસ અલગ છે.
યસ, ઓકે ઓકે.
એના
એટલે
ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ ફ્લટર આવી.
ઓકે, તો આ ફ્લટર નો આપણે બંનેમાં યુઝ કરી શકીએ એમ?
હા, તમે ફ્લટર નો કોડ લખો ને, એ બેમાં એપ્લિકેશન રન થઈ શકે, તમારા iOS માં પણ અને તમારા એન્ડ્રોઈડ ફોનમાં પણ.
સો ઇટ મીન્સ ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ?
હા, ક્રોસ પ્લેટફોર્મ મતલબ ડિફરન્ટ પ્લેટફોર્મમાં સેમ કોડથી રન કરાવી શકે.
હા, સમજી ગયો. ઓકે,
યસ,
થેન્ક યુ.
ચેટ બોક્સમાં આપણે GDSC ના વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપની લિંક શેર કરેલી છે, એટલે બધા જોઈન થઈ જાજો. એમાં ઇવેન્ટ્સ આપણે જે હશે નેક્સ્ટ અપકમિંગ ઇવેન્ટ્સ, બધી અપડેટ્સ એમાં વોટ્સએપમાં આવશે, એન્ડ તમને મેલ પણ આવી જશે.
અને હા, મેલનો જે પોઈન્ટ છે ને, મેલ તમે જો એનરોલ કરેલું હશે ને, આપણા જે સૌરભે બતાવ્યું વેબસાઇટ ઉપરથી, એ તમે જોઈન કરેલું હશે ને તો મેલ આવશે તમારા ઓફિશિયલ મેલ એડ્રેસથી. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So one more question from Sumit. Basic language like Java are more useful or new language? Okay, Sumit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
તો એમાં કેવું છે કે લેંગ્વેજને એવું કાંઈ નથી કે કઈ લેંગ્વેજ વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. એ પછી કંપની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરે કે તમારા પ્રોજેક્ટ ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરે તમારા પ્રોજેક્ટમાં કઈ લેંગ્વેજ યુઝ કરેલી છે. અત્યારે પણ શું કહેવાય, એન્ડ્રોઈડમાં હજી જાવા યુઝ થાય છે, પણ આમાં બધા સ્વિચ થવા માંડ્યા છે કોટલીન, એટલે વધારે બધા કોટલીન પ્રિફર કરે એમ.
ઓકે,
જાવામાં પણ આપણે કરી શકીએ, પણ હવે શું કહેવાય, બધા તમે કોટલીનમાં સ્વિચ થવા માંડ્યા હોય, તમને સપોર્ટ, કમ્યુનિટી સપોર્ટ વધારે મળે એમ કોટલીનમાં.
વધારે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.
Okay. So I think we can start the quiz. Quiz ચાલુ કરીએ હવે.
Yes, Saurav, just a second. અજીતનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, એની સરપ્રાઈઝ ફ્રોમ યોર સાઇડ. ડિસ્કોર્ડ સર્વરમાં એવું છે કે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું પણ બહુ ઓછા લોકો ડિસ્કોર્ડમાં છે, એટલે એ એક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે કે, અને પ્લસ ડિસ્કોર્ડ ઓછું ફાવે છે બધાને. બાકી અમે લોકો લાઈક અમારી ટીમમાંથી જ સૌરવ છે, હું છે, દેવાંશી, અમે બધા રેગ્યુલર ડિસ્કોર્ડ યુઝર્સ છીએ, પણ પછી સામે કમ્યુનિટી સપોર્ટ નથી મળતો.
આપણે બધા શું કહેવાય, ડિસ્કોર્ડ ઓછું યુઝ કરે છે. So I have shared my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. સો મેં ચેટ બોક્સમાં એક લિંક શેર કરેલી છે kahoot.it એમાં તમે જોઈન થાવ એટલે પછી આ ગેમ પિન છે 379170.
લિંક નથી એવી.
હા તમે ગૂગલ પર સર્ચ કરી શકો ડાયરેક્ટલી kahoot.it kahoot.it.
એન્ડ પ્રિફર રહેશે કે તમે શું કહેવાય બીજો એક ડિવાઇસ લઈ આવો PC અંદર તો ઇઝીલી તમે આન્સર કરી શકશો. So I think let's wait for 1 minute, then we will start. Okay, start करिए अब. સો એક વિડિયો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, પહેલા વિડિયો જોઈ લેજો પછી ક્વેશ્ચન બોલીશું.
जूस गिरा था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी. जब तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी तब रसोड़े में कौन था? वहाँ कौन था? मैं थी? तुम थी?
So the question is रसोड़े में कौन था? Ten seconds are left. 8, 9. Okay, so correct answer is Rasi. Scoreboard જોઈએ આપણે. Olivia is on first, then Nakas and DJ. Now next question. Harry Potter was the member of which house? Okay, time up. Correct answer is Gryffindor. Now Akash is on top, then Mandar, followed by Robo. Double point question. correct answer is B. Guido van Rosen. So Mandar first position ઉપર, then Roboy, then Sives. So the correct answer is Canada. Okay, ત્રણ જ જણાએ સાચો આન્સર આપ્યો. Again a video question. પેલા question videos જોઈ લેજો પહેલા, પછી question બોલીશ.
पिज्जा कहाँ से लाया? वो डोमिनो वाले का स्कीम है ना कि 30 मिनट में नहीं आया तो फ्री देता है, मैंने उसका कर डाला. साले 30 मिनट के बाद आया पिज्जा. नहीं ना बाबा, वो तो
बाबूराव का पिज्जा कितने मिनट में डिलीवर हुआ? Correct answer is 20 minutes. Original time was 20 minutes. Now let's see the scoreboard. DJ on the second position, on that still on top, followed by Roboy. Okay, again video question.
नाम की मेरी दुकान है, उसमें कम से कम 40-50 लाख का माल होगा. उतना ही माल गोडाउन में भी है. अरे पूरा साल का मेरा टर्नओवर नहीं तो भी.
So what is જેઠાલાલ નું ટર્નઓવર કેટલું છે એક વર્ષનું? ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ જેઠાલાલ નું ટર્નઓવર. Okay, so correct answer is 1 crore. Most of you have gave the correct answer. So still Mandak is on the top, then DJ and Roboy.
આમાં કઈ ચીટિંગ નથી થતી હો, ચીલ હું ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ રમું છું.
This question is in Commonwealth Games 2022. How many gold medals did India win? Okay, correct answer is 22. Now Roboy on second position and third Sives. So question is इस W के नीचे कितने पैसे थे? Okay, the correct answer is 10 crore. Arsil by coming to talk. આપણા રિલેટેડ કંઈક ક્વેશ્ચન આવ્યો થોડો વર્લ્ડ એન્જિનિયર્સ છે. Correct answer is 4 March. ખાલી 2 જણા આન્સર સાચો આપ્યો. ઇમેજ ક્વેશ્ચન. આ લોગો છે એ કયા ફ્રેમવર્કનો છે? So correct answer is React, and most of us have to answer up to. Okay. How many departments are there in GEC Rajkot? Correct answer is 7, and 7 જણા અહીંયા આપ્યો સાચો આન્સર. Silpai on second position, Roboy on third. So what was the original name of?
Screen was not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Is it visible? I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
એમની સાઈડથી ઇન્ટરનેટ ઇશ્યુઝ હશે.
Yes.
So ફુનસુક પાંગડો અને રણછોડદાસ ચાંચડમાં ટાઈ જેવું થઈ ગયું આપણે. Roboy on second. Who died last in Money Heist? Answer is Tokyo. Okay, last question of this quiz, and a double point question. What is the name of the place shown in this image? Correct answer is Sanchi Stupa. Okay, आपने क्विज खत्म. હવે જોઈ સ્કોરબોર્ડ. થર્ડ ઉપર આઈ શક્તિ, સેકન્ડ ઉપર રોબોય, ફર્સ્ટ ઉપર મંગા, and the runner-up are Ajit Kumar and Arsil Bhai. So congratulations, Mantra.
Thank you, Saurabh.
I think Roboy નો ઓરિજિનલ નેમ શું છે? રોબોય. Okay, so that's all for the fun activity. So quiz માં મજા આવી બધાને? ચેટ બોક્સ માં એક ઇમોજી દઈ દો બધાને.
Yes, spam कर देता था emoji spam कर देता था. Josh Shate is Roboy, okay. Congratulations, buddy.
ચેટ બોક્સમાં તમને GDSC ના બધા સોશિયલ મીડિયા પ્લેટફોર્મ્સની લિંક હમણાં શેર કરી દઈ, એટલે બધા ફોલો કરી દેજો, એટલે અપડેટ્સ હોય કાંઈ તો તમને મળતી રહે.
અને ગ્રુપ્સમાં પણ તમને મળી જશે બધી સોશિયલ મીડિયા લિંક્સ. તમારા જે GDSC નું ગ્રુપ જે સૌરભે લિંક શેર કરી, ફરીથી ઈ પણ લિંક શેર કરી દે છે અને ઈ પણ તમને મળી જશે.
વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપની પણ લિંક શેર કરી દીધી છે, બધા જોઈન થઈ જાજો. So thank you for joining the session. I hope you enjoyed it and learn from it. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You may leave now.
Yes, everyone follow all the social media links. બધી social media ની links follow કરો અને આપણે હમણાં in short time, yes, in short time આપણે Android ની event શરૂ કરવાના છીએ. In maybe 2 weeks અમારી mids પતી જાય પછી તરત જ કદાચ.
Okay, thank you once again everyone.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Saurav for such good session.
All thanks to team for making this event possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, leader, yes.
Hello.